Hello. Oh my god, my voice. Okay, the first start recording, yeah, everyone, is I just go instead of hello boys, how's it going? Epic gamer moment. Hello everyone, welcome to a new game that I just bought with my fucking money and what's it called, Amazing Granny. An epic gamer drink called Lucozade Pink Lemonade but zero because I don't want to get fat. What the fuck? Oh, such an idiot. I gotta like that shit. Oh, wait, it works? I'm an idiot. That wasn't an amazing granny, that was just an amazing mistake. Let me think. Boop, bibbity, bobbity, froop, boop, boop, boop. I'm learning! I'm a fucking adult now. Is that bullshit I see? Why is it not? Okay. Okay. That's how to cause a fire. Ah! Fucking light! Fucking light! Let's try some different fireworks. Is it? Oh, we can run! Jesus Christ, what am I doing? Fucking moon jumping. Not on the moon, it's not like the Apollo something. What? One small step for man. One giant leap for this big motherfucker! Motherfucker! This is the 2019 reference. Let me have a look. Shoot the boy! Blamia. A bit okay. Throbbing Bob. Cakes, I saw this one. Yeah, I'm oh, 2021, my favorite anime! Okay, ready. I'm learning. I'm not a child anymore. I'm a baby. I should have done the connection tool. I think this is too late now. Is this too late? Okay. Gotta hit that dab, boy, yeah! That's how to sound uncertain. Ready? An extra click of the bones. Over the engines. Run! No, just shit. Oh! Don't be scared, this will crash my computer. I saw it was screen screen, I'm joking. Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna get a lawsuit! This game's actually very good. Whoa! Jesus Christ! Oh. It's not finished! Woohoo! We did it, boys. That was very good. It won't matter which connection it'll actually go in, because, you know. Wait, you can do it multiple times. Shut the fuck up. It didn't go correct, but, you know, what's a good firework? My ass. Woo, epilepsy! You know what? Let's be the firework. It's not too late to catch fire. Ah! Yeah, it's like Gary's mod. Oh. The messenger. I'm not American. I'm from Ukrainian. Yes. Okay. So far, so good. With energy well preserved. Toasty! Oh Christ! Wow! Oh! Run! Flamingo tubes. YouTuber cares. Whoa! No!
Skip it up and that up.
Making my way downtown, rolling fast. Oh fuck! This is gonna be hell on earth. Oh no! Oh no! Oh god! Yeah, that wasn't me. I'll do Amazing Fanny or Amazing Granny. So like cicadas, I don't know why. Like the cicadas, just like type of flies, isn't it really? Let's go tool. Ah! No. That's a good bonfire night, even though it's April. Of the grannies. And she died. Me. Cobber. Yeah, well, how's it going, Cobber?
Cobber.
Gotta do a firework run, okay? Easy does it. Easy to. Oh god, it's gonna take a while. Let me see. Fear of the dark! Christ! Jesus. Jesus won't save you now. Ready? How many are we on now? Finished? No. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you were here then to see this, it's gonna be epic. Gamer moment. I forgot to do that. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, take your time. Okay, ready? Okay. Oh no! Oh god, here we go. I call this crash. No, I think it crashed. Why did I stop here? Like, I realised there was a white thing. Oh no! The gas station's fucked.